your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho! No!
Whoa. What the fuck? How can that be? I was in the bathroom. He shot that poor girl. I held up my hand. And then I was back here.
Ja, das ist jetzt richtig weird.
I already heard this lecture.
From light to shadow. From color.
Now Kate is being hassled again. And if Victoria's phone rings, this is real.
Now,
Shit.
can you give me an example?
Nein.
I cannot believe this.
Capture the human condition in black and white.
Okay, if I'm crazy, I might as well go all the way.
Bueller,
Can I actually reverse time?
Victoria, why Arbus?
Because
Okay, also das ist jetzt nice.
I did
Now,
it.
can you
I
give me an
actually
example
did
of a photographer who perfectly
I'm a
captured the
human
human
time
condition
machine.
in black and white? Anybody?
Max, don't freak out. Not yet.
Nee, 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 nee.
Why Arbus?
because of her
Keep it
images
together,
of
Max.
places. You feel like
Ich
you're
werde
only
etwas,
haunted
ich
by
werde
monsters,
etwas anschauen.
and children.
Still the same
She
stupid
saw
picture.
humans tortured, right?
So everything seems the same as before. What is going on? Nothing has moved at all. If anybody else looked at this, what would they think?
Das ist das Tagebuch. Ich muss mir überlegen, ob ich das reinschauen soll. Ah, nein, das ist... okay, das sind Informationen. Das ist effektiv etwas, das aktualisiert wird. Okay. Back. Nathan. Was ist diese? SMS. Okay. Also mit Gate jetzt ist es einfach nicht so schlecht. Welcher Tag ist? Oktober 7. 20. Ah, das ist schon länger her, okay. Oh, ein Stalker. Okay. Das war nichts Spezielles sonst noch gewesen. Aha. Okay, echt spannend, spannend. Ich komme aber noch nicht so wirklich draus, was ich genau was
Any
mache.
one of you in a dark corner and capture you in a moment of desperation. And any one of you could do that to me. Isn't that too easy? Too obvious? Shh. I believe Max has taken what you kids call a
Scary ist das nochmal.
a dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max,
Das ist der geile Witz.
I know I'm not
of
dreaming
course,
this.
as you all know, the
It's
photo
real.
portrait has been popular
I can
since
tell.
the early 1800s. Your generation
So I
was not
can
the
go
first
back
to
in
use
time.
images for selfie expression.
What if that girl isn't dead yet?
Couldn't resist. The point
Can I
remains
save
that
her?
the portraiture has always
Ja,
been a
das
vital
wäre doch
aspect of
etwas.
art and photography
I
for
need to go to the bathroom quickly and check it out.
Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell
Oh.
us the name of the process?
Oh
that
ja,
gave
logisch
birth
kann
to
ich
the
das.
first
Das ist der Tag
self-portrait?
gewesen. Oh nein, jetzt...
I'm sorry. I feel sick. May I be excused?
Nice try, Max. But you're not going to get away that easy. We can talk more after class. Is there anybody
Oh,
here
shit.
who knows their stuff?
Jefferson wants to keep me after
Louis Vega
class.
was a French painter
And I need
who
time to
used
save that
figure
girl.
types, a process that gave portraits a sharp
Ah,
style.
ja, ja.
Now you're totally stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Very good, Victoria.
What if I rewind again
Hungarian process
and give him the right
without
answer?
fine detail in people's faces.
Gehen wir nochmal zurück, hä?
Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
So.
Daguerrean process, invented by a French painter named Louis Daguerre around 1830.
Somebody has been reading as well as posing. Nice work, Max. The
Oh.
Daguerrean process made portraiture hugely popular. Mainly
Hoho,
because it gave subjects
das
clear, defined
Gesicht.
features.
Der Blick.
You can learn more when
Kann
you
ich das
actually
Foto machen
finish
für
reading
ihn?
the assigned chapters.
Wowzer, my old broken camera is new again.
And guys, don't forget the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Max, you are not crazy. You are not dreaming. It's time to be an everyday hero.
Yes. Ja, mit Kate werden was anderes machen. Victoria sollte ich jetzt nur ein bisschen einschleimen.
I
Los
see you, Max
geht's.
Caulfield. Don't even think about leaving here until we talk about your entry.
Okay. Gut.
I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in.
Jetzt kann ich das skippen, hä?
Yeah, I'm not sure I have one.
Given your selfie output, I'm sure you must have about 1,000 pics by now.
It'll take a long time to find a good one.
Max, don't wait too long. John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans. Go on. Don't let me stop you.
Okay. Also.
Participating by putting yourself out there in the world. Now, no matter
Excuse me, Mr. Jefferson, can
Okay,
I talk
ist das
to
jetzt
you?
sinnvoll gewesen, wenn ich das
Yes.
nochmal mache?
Excuse you.
Ja,
No,
fick dich.
Victoria. Excuse us. I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid.
Okay, ich kann mich nur richtig einschleimen.
I think John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans.
Max, you're on fire today. All the right answers. Good. Make sure you finish working on it by today.
Aha, er hat ihr noch etwas was er zu dem gefragt. Ja? Okay, gut, haben wir uns eingeschlimmt. Es war viel besser als diese Bitch dort dann. Nein.
I hope I have enough time to get to the bathroom. Please, please. I can't tell anybody. They'll think I'm crazy.
Na logisch, ich gehe jetzt einfach mal. Jetzt wird sie sicher noch von jemandem aufgehalten. Oder nicht?
I hate that science class with those nerds.
Okay, Max, retrace every step. I washed my face. I shredded my photo. Then the butterfly flew in. And I took a photo.
Ja.
Leave them out of this bitch.
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.
Where'd you get that? What are you doing?
Don't
Come on, put that thing
ever
down.
Tell me what to do. I'm so
I need a hammer to break it open.
to control me.
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Ah,
Nobody
nice.
would ever even miss your punk ass. would
Take.
they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
Holy shit, I can't let this happen. If I can reverse time again, I can help her.
More trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they? No way.
Don't ever touch me again, freak!
Another shitty day.
Nein, 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 nein.
That did not happen. This cannot be real. I just saw a girl get shot and then saved her. What the fuck is going on? Do not freak out.
Hey, do you hear that fire alarm? That means you should be outside.
I had to use the bathroom.
Girls always use that excuse.
Excuse for what?
For whatever you're up to, your face is covered in guilt.
The alarm tripped me out.
Then trip on out of here, Missy. Or are you hiding something? Huh?
Thank you, Mr. Madsen. The situation is under control. There's no emergency here. Leave Miss Caulfield alone and please turn off that alarm since that's your job.
Merci, Rektor. Das ist nett von dir. Ich würde mal sagen, ich rede jetzt mit ihm, weil das kann nicht sein, dass der Typ mit der Waffe in der Highschool rumläuft. Hey.
You look a little stressed out. Are you okay?
I'm just a little worried about my future.
Und das war eigentlich nicht das, was ich
Is
wollte
that all you're thinking about?
ansprechen.
You can always be upfront with me, Max. Or have you done something wrong? Is that it? Well, Max, talk to me.
Ja.
I just saw Nathan Prescott waving a gun around in the girls' room.
Nathan Prescott. You sure?
Yes, he was in the bathroom talking to himself with a gun. I saw everything. He was babbling like crazy.
Okay, slow down. Slow down. So now you saw this without him seeing you.
I was hiding behind a stall. I have the right to be there. It's the girls' room.
I know. I just want to be completely clear what happened. Mr. Prescott happens to be from the town's most
Ja,
distinguished
das
family
ist natürlich wieder klar.
and one of Blackwell's most honored students. So it's hard for me to see him brandishing a weapon in the girls' bathroom. So what happened next?
Then he left. I ran out here wondering what to do. Are you gonna bust him?
This
Sicher
is a
nicht.
serious charge. I'll look into the matter personally. Thank you for bringing it to my attention.
That's it? After what I told
We'll
you?
continue this discussion later in my office. Please go outside with the rest of your class now, Miss Caulfield.
Of course this academic drone won't do anything, since the Prescott family owns Blackwell now.
Nein, nein, ich bin eigentlich ganz
Should
zufrieden.
I rewind and change my story?
Oder wenn wir es behalten und selber Self-Justice machen.
You look a little stressed out.
I just got sick in class. Female trouble.
Except you're wandering around like a zombie. And do you think that's the first time a student has used that line on me?
It's the truth. I felt dizzy in Mr. Jefferson's
Just
class.
tell me what you're hiding. You can trust me.
There's nothing to hide. I got sick. It happens, you know.
There's that teen toot again. You know, I've heard enough. Don't think I don't know what goes on around here. You've only been here for 3 weeks and you're already causing conflict. I don't think your parents will approve when they find out. Now get outside with class. Please.
No, he does not buy that at all. I may have just flushed
Yep.
my scholarship down the toilet.
Genau. Nee, da bin ich lieber ehrlich.
Yes, I could rewind and actually tell him the truth.
You look a little stressed out.
Machen wir das. Nein, weil
I
finde
just
ich
saw
gut.
Nathan Prescott waving a...
Yes. Er weiß es jetzt zumindest. Die Frage ist, ob er da etwas damit anstellt oder nicht, aber wird sich zeigen. Bigfoots! So richtig amerikanische Highschool, ey. Classic, classic, classic.
With Nathan Prescott, please come to the front office. Thank you.
Rachel Amber, ey.
I would so be there if a Sasquatch actually did battle a Razorback.
Classics. Ja, die High School Football Teams. Was soll ich machen? Mich würde jetzt mega interessieren, was da passiert in der Office, in Prescott. Der Warren haben wir nicht geschrieben. Oh, der hat einen Drohne. Okay. Ah, sie schreibt gerade selber zurück. Was? Okay, also er will mir etwas zeigen.
Okay, I better get to my dorm and grab that flash drive.
Wo ist der Storm? Ich komme irgendwie noch nicht so ganz draus mit der Steuerung, aber ach, gibt's da so Collectibles? Fotos, die ich machen kann. Voll. Oder Motive, die ich finden kann, so gesehen. Alles klar. Irgendwo ist da eine Karte gesehen. Was ist da irgendwo Dorms? Ist da Karten irgendwo? Ja, da. Wahrscheinlich. Nee. Das ist nur das Dings. Wenn da Academy steht, ist das wahrscheinlich da hinten. Mal schauen. Dormitories. Also. Ah, ich muss da durchklicken. Alles klar. Sie geht mir immer ins Dingsmenü zurück. Oder komisch. Hey, fangen die komisch. Richtige Sandwich-Catch, hey.
The Prescott dormitory?
Ach du Shit.
Good lord, Nathan's family owns my dorm?
Ach du Shit. Nein, jetzt muss ich an einer Piste wieder vorbei. Kann ich da hochklettern?
Oh shit. There's Victoria and her mean girls.
Ja komm.
Oh, look,
Man up,
it's
girl,
Max
das schaffen wir
Caulfield,
doch.
The selfie hoe of Blackwell. What a lame gimmick. Even Mark, Mr. Jefferson, falls for your wave hipster bullshit. The Daguerrean process, sir. You could barely even say that. I guess you got your meds filled.
Hey.
Since you know all the answers, I guess you have to find another way into the dorm. We ain't moving. Oh wait, hold that pose. So original. Don't worry, Max. I'll put a vintage filter on it right before I post it all over social media.
Wo ist Sprinkler fällt mir?
Why don't you go fuck your selfie?
Fuck
Oh yes,
yourself.
Victoria. I'll get your bony ass out of my way. Okay, now where exactly is the sprinkler valve?
Genau.